Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card or SD card into your Oppo Reno 12F. Firstly, grab a needle or that kind of device and pull your phone to the top. Now from the bottom you can see that there are two holes. This one more to the center is a microphone. We need to put our needle into the one which is next to the side of our phone. So let's just put it in. Now a SIM card tray has pulled out a little bit, so we have to help it. Yeah, it totally jumped somewhere, but here is our tray. Now if you want to put SD card, we put it here on this side, and a bigger side. And if we want to put our SIM card, we put it right here. It's going to focus. No, it won't. Alright, and now we can put it back. Just like so, and that is going to be it. If I helped you, please like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, please let us know in the comments.